Wetin dey sup for your area? Because for my side, the way people just dey call me for this new Banana HighLand where they sell 6 million naira for one plot, I no come understand though. You sure say these people never go see gold for that new Banana HighLand? Hey, as I dey talk to you like this, I wan comot carry another person go inspection make him pay him money, and then I say make I quickly tell you say that new Banana HighLand, before you go finish make you might get plot for there, make you join us wey be the landlord and landladies for new Banana HighLand before you go finish you, because in the next 3 to 5 years coming, you no go sell that land for 30 million naira. This new Banana HighLand wey you wan buy for 6 million, you no go sell am. So make you quickly, you understand that part? Call me on this number 09034296519 so that you too you go collect your own plot. Make you know say Mama Peku Africa aka Madam Dollar no tell you. Na Madam Good News I be, I dey always tell you when good news dey. You understand me so? And make you know say na Mercy Homes and Properties na dem bring these properties for you. And again, we get already fenced land wey dey located for Peter Odili Road, Transamadi, Port Harcourt. Is directly opposite Gulf Estate, and that one na 30 million naira per plot. If you know Transamadi very well, you know say all the oil company na there e dey. Na there be the heart of Port Harcourt. So make you come collect your land. If na 5 plot, 10 plot, 30, 50, group of people, any company at all wey una be, quickly call Madam Good News come collect your land. So I say make I let you know before I go sharply comot. You understand me? And the number again dey here 09034296519. Sharply call me come collect your own. We get other ones for Rumokrushi, around Tank area, the same Port Harcourt. You understand? So any category where you fall inside, 5 million no, 6 million no, 30 million no, you are covered. Just holler that number, they wait for you. I'll see you when I come back. Okay, bye.